Cleveland State University. Its students build careers and their lives on engaged learning. But behind the books, the classrooms, and technology is an entire network of technology that makes sure that this campus is ready to support a student population that is eager to learn and a campus infrastructure that supports an entire city within a city. Energy management and conservation is a priority at CSU. In November of 2008, Cleveland State University's Board of Trustees adopted its first Energy Master Plan that addressed the strategic challenges of energy reliability, energy conservation, and sustainability. Shahada Abdel Karim is Director of Mechanical and Electrical Systems for the Facilities Division of Cleveland State University. Mr. Abdel Karim works with the Brewer Garrett Company and First Metrics on a daily basis to maximize new technology that saves energy.
From a mechanical, electrical facilities kind of question, this project was crucial to save the deteriorating equipment that we would have had no way to replace with financing through the university. So the energy conservation project provided us the funding to not only achieve the energy saving, which is its goal, but to replace the damaged and deteriorating equipment campus-wide that otherwise would have caused us havoc in the next 5 years. So we were saved by the project.
Lou Joseph is CEO of the Brewer Garrett Company. He sees the needs of CSU and the talents of Brewer Garrett as a perfect match in implementing state-of-the-art technology to save the university millions of dollars in energy costs.
They were just so right for this program, and they were wonderful to work with on the front end. They saw the need, and they allowed us to take the brush and go broad with it. We looked at a number of different programs for them, and Jack is right in tune with it, Jack Boyle and the rest of his team. They understand exactly what we're talking about, and they allowed us a free hand to really help them maximize their savings. And we're saving, millions and millions of dollars. And to think that we're putting in all brand new equipment at zero cost and net in a positive cash flow from the very beginning to the end of the program. It's a great success story.
Here are the goals. Through January 2011, the plan targets a reduction in energy consumptions and greenhouse gas emissions of 45% and 47% by fiscal year 2014. Energy savings will be monitored, reported, and documented in a contractually guaranteed performance period of 2012 through 2021. A savings that will help Cleveland State University manage the cost of higher education to its student population. The installation of a new state-of-the-art chiller plant in Rhodes Tower with state-of-the-art automation will save the university millions of dollars in energy to air condition the multitude of buildings on campus. A chiller plant cools water down and pumps it through a water loops system. Fans are then placed to blow over the pipes containing cooled water, which produces cooled air for air conditioning. CSU now has a Brewer Garrett design-build, state-of-the-art chiller plant that is energy efficient.
Usually with boiler plants, large chiller plants, you're looking at a 25 to 30 year lifespan. So what's happening right now, especially in higher education, is the lifespan has come up with this equipment. They need to get that replaced. And where's the money coming from? It's no longer coming from the state with the issues that the state and the institutions are happening. And so performance contracting is a great opportunity right now to get these projects completed and have the energy savings and operational savings for these projects pay for the replacement of air handling units or constant volume units or boiler plants and chiller plants. The technology today, everyone's talking green, everyone's talking energy efficiency, and so the technology over the last 5 years has changed dramatically. And what you could buy 10 years ago in terms of efficiency and compared to what you can buy today is night and day.
This project put us back on the grid. We are now in good position to meet the needs of the university. We have newer equipment that's going to be here for the next 30 years. I'm very, very happy with the chiller plant. So far we've completed all the HVAC upgrades in Science Building, Science Research, the Law School, and Physical Plant. Those 4 buildings, the retrofitting and the reinstallation of devices and components have been completed. On the Rhodes Tower, main classroom, and the PE buildings, those are well beyond 50% completed on the HVAC side.
There's a great benefit for higher education today because of the house build programs that are out there. And again, house build programs allow you 10, 15 years to look at the energy savings and pay for it with those savings. That's wonderful to be able to get new equipment for students, heating and cooling systems, and pay for those strictly through the savings and go positive in the very first day. So they're a very good client for us as well. And we're in the industrial world. We look at industrial as well. Compressed air, there's a computer room, data centers. Everybody has there's different niches, there's different programs that are out there for different types of industries. But I would say today, a real sweet spot for us is higher education, government buildings, and things of that nature.
And that is why CSU will invest $43 million to save more than $66 million, replacing an aging infrastructure that heats, cools, exchanges air, and lights this campus 24/7.
CSU is a perfect project. It has aging infrastructure. They don't have the capital in order to do the projects that they want to do. And by picking off and doing low-hanging fruit like lighting and automation and things of that nature, you have the capabilities then of doing much larger projects like a central chilled water plant, like the student housing plant, like replacing the HVAC systems in 3 of their largest buildings, the main classroom, the law building, and Rhodes Tower.
Well, I think the whole key is to saving energy also gives them a financial tool to upgrade their infrastructure. And that's very important to keep costs in check and make sure the campus is running efficiently. So I think it's a great benefit, especially to rising costs and especially in the energy side.
The team of Cleveland-based Brewer Garrett, First Metrics, and URS brought a product-neutral approach to the CSU campus-wide energy conservation initiative. Every new technology, automation, lighting, is at the forefront of industry in terms of energy efficiency, reliability, and is the right fit for this project. Lou Joseph explains the benefit to CSU.
Being product neutral means you're not married to any one manufacturer so that you have to push just their product. And it may in fact be the wrong application for the client. We have to keep our customer as priority one. 2, being able to do everything in-house, there's no layered or tiered markups on top of markups. And then, secondly, we can provide you the most cost-effective solution for the dollar spent. And third, I think it's extremely important to note that we are a local company. And being a local company, a locally owned company, we're not bound by any publicly traded company stockholders. We even like it ourselves a speedboat on a swimming pool. And our competition are cruise ships. They're not mobile, they're not agile, they can't move very quickly. We can change directions, we can make decisions, we can provide immediate solutions for our customers.
On the Brewer Garrett side, I mean, these guys are tremendous to work with. They have dedicated managers, they are responsive to our needs, and we quickly come to a conclusion as to if it's a needed item to be replaced or repaired. It's done. We discuss the finances after the fact because the goal of the project is to make sure CSU systems are functioning the way they're supposed to and they achieve their energy savings. I'm blessed on the CSU side to have expertise of staff that's been in Cleveland State for at least 25 to 30 years. Dave Benedict, Mark Cunningham, Harry Reck, and guys from our plumbing shop, Fred Wolf, and those guys are really keen in knowing the nooks and crannies of the campus. They know where devices are located, they know what areas need to be addressed immediately, so having them sit in the meetings and discuss what the needs are safeguard the university's interest tremendously, and through their efforts we were able to make sure that the energy conservation project addressed those needs immediately. So I'm very satisfied with the achievements that we're making to the mechanical electrical systems on campus.
The CSU E3 program, setting the standard in education, environment, and energy. Engaged learning for CSU students, a sustainable campus community for Northeast Ohio.